So let's talk about a couple of conventions that Blender follows. Conventions will make your life easier and will integrate better with other people, other blend files, and other tools within Blender itself. So the first convention that we're going to see is dimensions. Whenever possible, try to model things in real size. In Blender, each Blender unit relates exactly to 1 meter. So if I open up the transform panel and go into my dimensions section, I can see that my character has a height of 1.74 meters. Now, the display of units can be changed to feet or, imperial, metric, and so on. However, the internal representation will always be in Blender units, and they are always 1 meter per 1 Blender unit. Now, for orientation, it is important that if we go to front view by pressing 1 on my numpad, the character will face you. In other words, the character should face the negative y-axis. Now, if I ask you which side of this character should be the left side and the right side, you should think about this from the perspective of the character. So, for example, if I was this character, my right hand would be this one, and my left hand would be this one. There are tools in Blender that rely on a correct orientation and also left and right naming of things. For example, in armatures. If I go ahead and check on this armature I have here, I can see that there are correlated bones like thigh.r for right and thigh.l for left. These are not only necessary for rigging, but also a lot of animation tools rely on these. So we make our lives easier if we follow these conventions. Another interesting case is a car. Which one is the left side of the car and the right side of the car? This one's easy because we know in most parts of the world, the wheel is on the left side of the car. So this one is the left side of the car, and the passenger side should be the right side of the car. And also the car is facing to the negative y-axis. So if I press the 1 in my keyboard, this is what I see, the grille of the car. I won't see side or something like that, which is actually pretty common in files that you download from the internet. And it's not that they will break everything, but they are not following Blender's conventions.